Okay. Can I type your attendance now?
Yes.
Okay. Then we were discussing about reducing of equations, is it? And we are discussing, I'm going to just share my screen. I think we are discussed about this problem, reducing equation into simpler form, that is solve 6x plus 1 by 3 plus x minus 1 by 6. Is it? Is it is clear for you? What about others? Okay. Okay, that's fine. Then we have to move.
Miss, ഇത് -3 അല്ലായിരുന്നോ?
എന്തോ?
-3/6 അല്ലായിരുന്നോ?
ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ മാറ്റിയായിരുന്നില്ലേ മോനെ? That was x minus 1 by 6 റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്തായിരുന്നില്ലേ?
ഞാൻ സ്ക്രീൻഷോട്ട് എടുത്തത് -3 ആയിരുന്നു.
ആണോ? ഓക്കെ, ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്കിൽ അത് -3 ആണ്. Okay, that's fine. Then we have to move on to our next question. That is, solve 5x minus 2 into 2x minus 7, which is equal to 2 into 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. It's little bit complex than our previous question, is it? Is it? So first we have to reduce it into a simpler form and then we have to find its solution. For that, how you can make it simple? As we had done earlier, can you find any LCM or can you multiply it? Can you multiply it? No, because here, can you see my screen easily, clearly? Okay, then in this question, we have only fraction is in RHS, is it? There is no fraction or rational numbers is in LHS, yes?
Mrs. Screen full black ആയിരിക്കും.
Screen full?
എന്തൊരു black
നോ മിസ് കാണാം.
കാണാവോ?
കാണാം മിസ്.
Connection Sridev? Okay, that's fine. Then in this question, we have only a rational number having in RHS, is it? There is no rational numbers in LHS as we have done earlier. That's why we can't multiply and we can't find any LCM or like that. Then how will you solve this question? How will you reduce this question into a simpler form? For that, we have to make it simpler, LHS and RHS separately. First, we are considering the LHS. Okay. I'm just considering the LHS. That is, here we have given the LHS 5x minus 2 into 2x minus 7. Is it? Here is 2 times variables are present in LHS. That is, there is a 5x and there is a 2x. And you can see there is a bracket before the term 2x minus 7 and there is a multiplication with 2. First, we have to remove that bracket by multiplying that 2 into inside. Okay. Then, how will you open the bracket? What happened when you open the bracket? What happened? Then LHS become 5x minus, there is 2 into 2x, that is 4x, plus, why did this get plus 14? Is it minus 14? Because here is minus 2 and here is a minus 7. And multiplication of two negative integers will bring a positive integer. That's why it's become plus 14. Is it clear? Okay. Then here is a 5x minus 4x. What is the value of 5x minus 4x? What is the value? Please unmute and say, what is 5x minus 4x? And Maria.
9 minus 9
5x minus
minus
4x.
plus 9.
What is it is?
Miss 9
Minus 4x. We are just subtracting 4x from 5x. What is 5 minus 4?
1
1. Then what is 5x minus 4x?
1x.
1x or x itself. Okay. Then we get the LHS as x plus 14. So we reduced our LHS as x plus 14, and here is our, now we are going to reduce our RHS. We know that our RHS is 2 into 3x minus 1, which plus 7 by 2. Is it? Here I am first going to open this bracket, that is here is 2 into 3x minus 1 is here, and we have to remove the bracket as we have done in here our LHS. Here also we are multiplying with this 2 inside the bracket, that is 2 into 3x is 6x, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, that is 6x minus 2, plus there is a 7 by 2 also, that is 6x minus 2 plus 7 by 2. Is it clear? Okay. In next step, I am going to add minus 2 plus 7 by 2. As you know, the addition of two fractions or one whole number, one integer and a rational number. How will you add an integer and a rational number? Using cross multiplication, is it? Okay, how will you apply cross multiplication here? How will you apply? By applying cross multiplication here, we get 2 into minus 2. Is it? That is minus 4 plus 1 into 7, which is plus 7. Minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3, and the denominator is 2. That's why minus 2 plus 7 by 2 will get as 3 by 2. So it is clear. Addition of rational numbers, as we have studied in our previous chapter. Please respond. Is it clear for you? Okay. Then our RHS becomes 6x plus 3 by 2. Then combining LHS and RHS, we will get the equation as x plus 14 is equal to 6x plus 3 by 2. Here is also, what happened? Here is also a rational number in this equation, is it? Then we have to reduce it again. How will we reduce it? I am just keeping our rational number 3 by 2 as itself and moving the x in our LHS to our RHS. That is, then the LHS become 14 and plus x become minus x in RHS. Is it? You can see here. We have plus x here, and while moving to RHS, it become minus x. Then 6x minus x plus 3 by 2 become the RHS. Okay. വിശക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? പിന്നെന്താ ആർക്കും ഒരു ഉഷാറില്ലാത്ത? ഉറക്കം വരുന്നുണ്ടോ? Okay, that's fine. Then what was our equation now? Our equation is 14 is equal to 6x minus x plus 3 by 2. Here we have two terms containing x, that is 6x minus x. What is 6x minus x? What is 6 minus 1? 5. Then what is 6x minus x? It is 6x minus 1x. 1x
5.
is itself. Okay, it is 5x. Then we get, and one more thing, we are moving this plus 3 by 2 into LHS. Then it become minus 3 by 2. Then the LHS become 14 minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 5x. Okay. Then how will you subtract 14 minus 3 by 2? We know how the subtraction of rational numbers. Using the subtraction of rational numbers, we have to find the answer of 14 minus 3 by 2. What is the answer of 14 minus 3 by 2? 14 can be represented as 14 by 1. That is 14 by 1 is a rational number. Then using cross multiplication, how will you find the answer? It is 14 into 2, that is 28, minus 1 into 3, which is 3. That is, the numerator is 28 minus 3, and the denominator is the product of 1 and 2, which is 2. That is 28 minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 5x. Okay. Okay. Then, what is 28 minus 3? It is 25. That is 25 by 2 is equal to 5x. Now we get an equation having variable in one side and number on the other side that we have studied in our previous class. So we know how to find the solution of an equation containing variable in one side and number on other side. That is 5x is equal to 25 by 2. Then how will you find the answer, or how will you find the value of x? Here x is multiplied with 5. Then how will you find value of x? We have to move this multiplied x to our RHS. Then what happens? What happens for x 5 in RHS? It became 5 is multiplied in LHS, and then what happens? It moved to RHS.
25 into 5.
25 by 2 is already in our RHS, and we are also moving this multiplied 5 to our RHS. Then what happened? It became division, is it? That is, x is equal to 25 by 2, and it is division of our 5 become multiplication of its reciprocal. That is multiplied by 1 by 5. Is it? Actually, there is 25 by 2 divided by 5, and 5 is 5 by 1 itself, and we can replace it by multiplication by its reciprocal. Okay. All stand up. All stand up. Okay, then sit down. I think you are all sleeping. Okay. Then, did you get the concept of converting 25 by 2 into 1 by 5 instead of divided by 5? We are just replacing our division by the reciprocal multiplication. Okay. Okay. Then what happens? You know how to multiply two rational numbers. For multiplying two rational numbers, we have to multiply the numerators together and then the denominators together. Is it? Okay. Then what is the numerator of first rational number? It is 25, and the second rational number is 1. Then the product of 25 and 1 is 25 itself, and the denominators are 2 and 5. Their product is 10. Then we get exit as 25 by 10. Can you reduce this 25 by 10 into simpler form? Both 25 and 10 are multiples of which number? Sean, please.
5.
5. Then how can you reduce 25 by 10? We can reduce it as, how many 5s are 25? 5 5s
5
are
into
25
5.
and 2 5s are 10. That's
5 by 2.
It is 5 by 2. So the value of x is 5 by 2. Please look at the whole step, and if you have any doubts in any steps, please ask. Please ask.
Miss,
Hmm.
x is equal to 25 by 2 into 1 by 5 ഇല്ലേ?
Hmm.
അവിടെ 1 by 5 എങ്ങനെയാ വന്നേ?
Okay, look at here. Here 5x is equal to 25 by 2. Is it? And we know that. How will you transform this multiplied 5 into RHS? How will you transform? It becomes x is equal to 25 by 2 is already here, and it again divided by 5. Is it? Is it? Okay. Then there is two divisions, that is 25 by 2 again divided by 5. Then we know that how the division of rational numbers happen. While dividing rational numbers, what we are doing exactly? What we are doing? We have to multiply it with the reciprocal, is it? That's why, what is the reciprocal of 5? 5 is a whole number, and we can represent it as a rational number 5 by 1. So, what is the reciprocal of 5? It is? What is the reciprocal of 5? What is the reciprocal? 5 is 5 by 1 itself. Then what is the reciprocal of 5 by 1? Just interchange
1 by 5.
denominator.
1 by 5.
1 by
1 by
5. Okay, that's why I am choosing here 25 by 2 into 1 by 5. Is it clear now? Okay. Then, any other doubts? No. Faith? No. Sridev?
No.
Anne Maria? Okay, that's fine. Then shall we move to our next session?
Yes.
Okay. Just a minute. Our next session is equations reducible to the linear form. It is the last section of this chapter. That is equations reducible to the linear form. Before that, there is an exercise 2.1 is for you. And I think I have already given it as your homework and group work. Is it? Okay.
Group work എങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യണ്ടേ?
I will explain about that. Okay. Then now look at the equations reducible to the linear form. Here, how will you reduce equation to the linear form? That we are checking here. For that, we have a question in your textbook, page number 34. That is example 18. Solve x plus 1 by 2x plus 3, which is equal to 3 by 8. How can you solve this? Is it a linear equation? No. Then how will you make this linear? Here in both LHS and RHS, these are in the form of rational numbers, is it? Okay. Then we are going to make this equation linear. For that, first I am going to do, that is, I am first going to convert or move our Denominator of LHS, that is x plus 1 by 2x plus 3. What is the denominator here? 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 What is the denominator of x plus 1 by 2x plus 3?
8.
Denominator of x plus 1 by 2x plus 3 is what? X plus 1 by 2x plus 3, which is a rational number, is it? Then what is the denominator of this rational number?
Miss 6.
No, 2x plus 3 itself.
5.
Our rational number is x plus 1 by 2x plus 3. Look at your LHS not
മനസ്സിലായില്ല
your RHS.
മിസ് മനസ്സിലായില്ല
മനസ്സിലായില്ല? What is the LHS of our equation? What is the LHS? What is the LHS?
Left. It's a left.
Yes, left hand side
X
of our
plus
equation.
1 by 2
What
x
is
plus
that?
3.
What is the left hand side of this equation?
X plus 1 by 2
X
x plus
x
3.
plus 1 by 2x plus
Plus 1 by 2x plus 3. Okay, that is the LHS of our equation. Good. Then, this is in the form of a rational number, is it? Isn't it? Yes. Then, in this rational number, what is the numerator and what is the denominator? Numerator
X
is?
plus 1 is numerator.
Yeah.
2x plus 3 is denominator.
Okay, that's good. X plus 1 is the numerator and 2x plus 3 is the denominator. Okay, Faith, is it clear for you now? What about others? What about others?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Then, okay, that's fine. Then I'm just going to change or I'm just going to move this denominator into RHS. What happens when we move a denominator into RHS? As we know, denominator is divided or it's a division. Is it? And now we are going to convert this division into RHS. What happens? Division changes to RHS. It becomes
multiplication.
multiplication. That is x plus 1 is equal to 3 by 8 into 2x plus 3. That's because 2x plus 3 is divided in our LHS and while moving to RHS, division become multiplication. That's why we can write it as 3 by 8 into 2x plus 3. Okay. Sean. Okay. Then, as we have done in this step, here is another rational number in our RHS also. Is it? What is the rational number in RHS? What is the rational number in RHS? Look at here. It is
3 by
3 by 8. Is it? In right hand side, it is 3 by 8 is the rational number. As we have done in the case of 2x plus 3, how will you change or move this denominator 8 into LHS? What happened? What happens when we move this denominator 8 into LHS? Then what happens? 8 is denominator and it is division. And we move to LHS, it again become multiplication. As we have done in the same case of 2x plus 3. Okay. Okay. Then our equation become x plus 1 into 8 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 3. Is it is clear? And Maria?
No, miss. മനസ്സിലായില്ല.
Okay, look at your first exam. Equation, sorry, not exam, it's equation. That is, our equation is x plus 1 by 2x plus 3, which is equal to 3 by 8. Is it? And in our LHS and RHS, there are two fraction forms or rational numbers. That is, in our LHS, it is x plus 1 by 2x plus 3, and in RHS, it is 3 by 8. In LHS, what is the numerator? The numerator in LHS is x plus 1 by 2x plus 3. And in RHS, the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 8. Okay. And first, I am going to move the denominator of LHS. LHS denominator move cheyana first cheynathu. What is the denominator in LHS? The denominator in LHS is 2x plus 3. And the denominator is divided in our LHS. As we know, we are using the symbol divided by for indicating division. Is it? And 2x plus 3 is divided, or it is a form of division in LHS. And like that, we can say that 3 is divided by 8 here. In RHS, here is also 8 is divided by. 3 is divided by 8. 8 is also dividing in RHS. Both 2x plus 3 and 8 are dividing in LHS and RHS respectively. And we know that when we move division to LHS or RHS, it becomes multiplication. Is it? As we know, addition becomes subtraction, subtraction becomes addition, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. Like that, here 2x plus 3 is divided and it changes to RHS, it becomes multiplication. That's why it becomes 3 by 8 into 2x plus 3. Is it clear now? And Maria?
Miss, last പറഞ്ഞ മനസ്സിലായില്ല miss. Last.
Last, ഏതാ ഈ 2x plus 3 നെ മൂവ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാണോ? Okay. For that, I'm choosing another fractions. That is, just consider a by b. Just consider a by b. This is a fraction, is it? And a by b is equal to 3 by 8. Consider this equation. A by b is equal to 3 by 8. Then here the denominator is b. And I want to find the value of a. Then how will you find the value of a? A is equal to, we have to move the b into RHS, is it? We have already 3 by 8 in RHS and we have to move this b to RHS. Here b is dividing and that's why in RHS it should be multiplication. Is it clear? Here instead of a and b, in the place of a we have x plus 1 and in the place of b we have 2x plus 3. Okay. And Maria, got it? Okay. Then as in this case, we know that a by b is equal to 3 by 8. Then I want to find the value of 3 from this. How will you find the value of 3? How will you represent 3 is equal to, from this equation, how will you represent 3 is equal to, here is an a by b is also already in our LHS and we have to move this 8 also. Here also this 8 is dividing and by moving it become multiplication. Is it? And it's become a by b into 8. Here we said in the place of a by b, a is x plus 1 and b is 2x plus 3. And we are just moving this divided by 8 into RHS. Then we get, what we get then? What we get? That's why I'm writing x plus 1 into 8 is equal to 3 into 2x plus 3. Is it clear now? Okay. Then now we can find the simpler form. How we can find? First of all, we have to open the brackets in each side. Here, by opening the bracket, we have to multiply this 8 with both 1 and 8. 8 into x is 8x and 1 into 8 is 8. That's why 8x plus 8. Okay. Which is equal to 3
Miss-
into, yes.
Miss, 8x മനസ്സിലായി 8 3/8 8 ആണോ?
Allah, look at here. Here x plus 1 is put it in bracket and we are multiplying 8 with this bracket. While opening this bracket, we have to multiply each term of inside the bracket. That is, here we have a 1 here and we have to multiply 8 with this 1. That 1
Miss, ആ
into...
മേളത്തെ 8 അല്ലേ?
Hmm?
മേളത്തെ 8 അല്ലേ താഴേക്ക് എഴുതിയത്?
Yes, that's it. Okay. Then in RHS, 3 into 2x is 6x and 3 into 3 is 9. Is it clear, Anne Maria? 3 into 2x is 6x and 3 into 3 is 9. So we get the equation as 8x plus 8 equal to 6x plus 9. Now we get an equation having variable in both sides. Is it? Then what we have to do? We have to do we have to make this equation as an equation containing variable in one side and numbers on other side. For that, how will you move 6x or 8x? Which will you move? How will you arrange variables in one side? How will you move? Sean. How will you arrange variables in one side in this equation? We have equation 8x plus 8 equal to 6x plus 9. And you have to arrange variables in one side. We know that variables are 8, variable is 8 in this equation. And we know that there are two variables present in RHS and LHS. That is 8x and 6x. And we have to move it to one side. How will you move? How will you move this? For that, you just move 6x to RHS. What happens when you move 6x to RHS? What happens? Please respond. Anybody?
8x plus 6x.
Is it 8x plus 6 or 8x minus 6? Faith.
minus
8x minus 6. Okay. Then there is an 8 is also. That is 8x minus 6x is there, and we have an 8 in LHS, and similarly we have to move this plus 8 into RHS. Then it becomes minus 8. Is it clear? Okay. Then what is 8x minus 6x? What is the value of 8x minus 6x? What is the value of 8x minus 6x? What is the value of 8 minus 6?
2x.
Okay, 8x minus 6x is 2x and 9 minus 8 is 1 itself. Then we get the equation into simpler form as 2x is equal to 1. Then from this, how will you find the value of x? We know that 2x is equal to 1. And how will you find the value of x? Here 2 is multiplied with x in LHS. Then while moving to RHS, what happens to 2? What happens?
It becomes divisions.
it become a division. That is, x is equal to 1 divided by 2. Then we get the value of x as 1 by 2. That is, we are reduced the equation to linear form first and then find its solution. Okay. So while getting an equation which does not in linear form, first we have to convert that equation to linear form and then find the solution. Okay, look at the steps. Do you have doubts in any step? Please ask your doubts. No. Then shall we move to our next session? Okay. Yes?
Miss, 2x equal to 1 apart 2 1 ആണ് താഴേക്ക് 1 by 2.
Anmaria, please say it loudly.
Miss, 2x equal to 1x ഇല്ലേ
Hmm.
അതില് ആ 1 ഉം 2 ആണ് താഴേക്ക് എഴുതിയിട്ടുള്ളത് 1 by 2.
ഈക്വൽ ടു 1 എന്ന ഇക്വേഷൻ അല്ലേ നമുക്കുള്ളത്. ആ 2x ഈക്വൽ ടു 1 എന്ന ഇക്വേഷൻ ഏത് ഫോമുല? നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് സൊല്യൂഷൻ കണ്ടെത്തിയത് ഏത് ഫോമുലായിരുന്നു? ഇക്വേഷൻ containing variable in one side and numbers on one side, and we get it as 2x equal to 1. Okay, and this 2x is 2 into x. As we know, 2x is 2 into x. We can write 2x as 2x is equal to 2 into x. Okay, that is 2 into x is equal to 1. Then how will you find the value of x? Here 2 is multiplied with x, and while moving to RHS it becomes division. Okay, this is something what changing division to multiplication, multiplication to division, addition to subtraction, and subtraction to addition. We are doing all the 4 operations inside this solving solution of the equations. Okay, using these 4 operations we are finding the solutions. You just remember what happens when we move an addition or plus sign to our RHS or subtraction to RHS or anything else. What happens when we move addition? It becomes Anne-Maria. What happens when we move addition to RHS or LHS? It becomes, please unmute and say.
Subtraction.
Subtraction. And then what in the case of subtraction? It becomes Sean. Addition. Okay. Then in the case of multiplication, what happens is just when we move multiplication?
Division.
Division. Okay. Then Faith, what happens when we move division from RHS to LHS?
Multiplication.
It should be multiplication. And that's it. Using these 4 operations, we are just moving our variables and numbers from different sides of our equation to other sides for solving our equation.
Yes,
Is it clear for you?